Tired of struggling with heavy rocks during water feature installations? Meet the tool that's about to change the way you work, the Aquascape Heavy Duty Rock Pad Sling. Made from extra-thick geotextile fabric, this rock pad sling not only protects your liner, but makes moving heavy rocks into place easier and safer. With 6 integrated handholds, 2 to 4 people can haul rocks up to 500 pounds and position them exactly where you need them, with minimal effort. Need more power? No problem. The handholds can be fitted with lifting straps, making it perfect for use with machinery. The thick protective padding ensures your liner stays safe while you maneuver even the largest rocks into place. Plus, once the job's done, you can leave the pad underneath the rock for long-term liner protection. And it's not just for big rocks. Use the rock pad sling to transport smaller cobbles for building rock walls, waterfalls, or any part of your pond. The Aquascape Heavy Duty Rock Pad Sling. Haul it, place it, leave it. Make your water feature installations faster, safer, and more efficient. Get your Aquascape Heavy Duty Rock Pad Sling today. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended. We've been creating and field testing water features since 1991 to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.